Miss Rukaya. I'm doing my whole feeding train today. I read in the paper about the feeding train. I heard on the radio about the feeding train. I see folks talking about the feeding train. Lord, I've been waiting for the feeding train. Down south in Dixie, on the train I see, got a gin cold cup set aside for me. I hope there ain't no gin crowd on the feeding train. No signs for cars on the feeding train. No white folks only on the feeding train. No signs for cars on the feeding train. No white folks only on the feeding train. I'm gonna check up on that feeding train, but who's the engineer on the feeding train? To the cold black man, try feeding train, I'm still a porter on the feeding train. When it stops in Mississippi, we'll make plays. Everybody's got the right to board the feeding train.
Woohoo! And how old are you?
I am 5. See you later for the next show of Rukaya the Feeding Train.